What's up guys, and welcome back to Must Download Cydia Tweak, where I show you the best tweaks for your jailbroken device. In today's video, I'm gonna show you an awesome tweak that will redesign your notifications center to a modern and beautiful design. As you see, you can also expand to see a full list of notifications, from which you can open the app, clear individual notifications, or clear all. This tweak comes with 4 reorderable modules like device info, music controls, CC toggles, and of course the notifications. Alright, now I'm gonna show you how to download and install the tweak. First, go to Cydia. Go to the sources here and add this source, Havoc source. After adding the source, go to the search here and search for Centaur Tweak. This is the tweak. As you see, this tweak can't be downloaded with Cydia, so you have to install it with Zebra Store. So make sure guys to add Zebra Source and install Zebra Store. Now go ahead and open Zebra Store. Go to the sources here and add Havoc source. After adding the source, go to the search and search for Centaur Tweak. This is the tweak. Centaur Tweak, as I said, will redesign your notifications center to a modern and beautiful design, and you can also expand to see a full list of notifications. The tweak comes with only 4 modules, and of course you can arrange them as you want. The tweak is really amazing tweak, but it has limited features and limited toggles, so I hope that the developer will add more toggles to the tweak. Now just go ahead and install it. I already installed it. I will not after install. Scroll down and send preferences.